Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing Eid Mehndi New Design 2025 ideas that are perfect for this special occasion. Whether you love elegant, minimal patterns or bold, intricate designs, I have something new and trendy for you. Let's get started. Segment 1. Elegant Floral Mehndi Design. Let's start with this elegant floral Mehndi design, perfect for Eid. It features delicate flower patterns with swirls and leafy details, creating a graceful and festive look. Segment 2. Modern Arabic Mehndi Design. Arabic Mehndi designs never go out of style. This modern Arabic Mehndi design includes bold strokes, paisleys, and curved lines that make your hands look stunning. Segment 3. Chand Mehndi with minimal touch. For those who love simple yet stylish designs, this Chand Mehndi pattern is a must-try. It has a delicate crescent moon with tiny stars and intricate swirls, adding a festive Eid touch. Segment 4. Finger Mehndi Design for Eid. If you prefer minimal yet trendy Mehndi, this finger Mehndi design is a great choice. It features tiny dots, geometric lines, and elegant floral strokes for a subtle yet chic look. Segment 5. Full Hand Eid Mehndi New Design. For those who love detailed and intricate Mehndi, this full hand Eid Mehndi New Design is stunning. It blends traditional paisleys, florals, and geometric patterns to give a beautiful, festive appearance. Which Eid Mehndi New Design 2025 was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.